I think I'll start with going down here by the lake and walk around a bit. If it's only about 3-4 minutes off the interstate, need a little break from traveling, it's good for that too. There's a few of these decks along the lake. It's a great place to sit and relax. We have a sidewalk going down here now. Back when I was in high school, we swim here. There was just a trail getting down here. Ledge over there, we used to dive in the water off of there. It's all overgrown now. Most of it's nice and paved, but there are some dirt trails that go down by the creek up here. Let's try this dirt path. That one goes back in there. Looks kind of narrow. And again, we go left or right. Or down. That way looks kind of cool. Nice view of the creek. Bicycle tracks back here. A lot of mountain bikers. And again, a fork in the road. Which way should we go? I feel like climbing over that log. Go this way. I can hear something over there, a piece of machinery. Don't know what's going on. Noisy. City workers. Go down this way. Probably just another short path to the creek. Yep. This one though, instead of a drop off, it's a nice little clearing. Back to the main path. I wouldn't call it the main path. The main path is paved. The bigger dirt trail. Getting closer to that noise. Don't know what it is. Another path that goes down by the creek. Plenty of those. There's the guy mowing, there's all the noise. Go this way for a while. See where we end up. Apparently a little bridge goes over the creek. Kind of a nice view. Path must be pretty curvy up this way according to that sign. We'll check it out. Must be about on the edge of the trail. Starting to see some homes. Nice view of a meadow along the way. Some wildflowers and stuff. And we'll continue. That's what I'd call some tall grass. This stretch is good for when it's hot and sunny. It's nice and shady through here. Nice smooth path. Pretty awesome if you're on a bicycle. Speaking of bicycles, let's go get the bike, go for a ride. I like these paths in the early fall. It's a little bit cooler. There's a few leaves. There's some off-roading around here somewhere. We'll find it. I think it's pretty much just grass paths. We'll see. Path right over there goes down to the creek. I don't think the paths actually cross it though. I think I'll stay on the smooth path for now. I think I'll pick up some speed if no one's around. Not many people here today. It's a weekday. These smooth sections are really nice if you just want to relax. Yeah, if you're older, e-bikes are great. They allow you to enjoy parks like this. I could never otherwise go the distance a place like this.
I think at first there was resistance to letting e-bikes into places like this, and I think they realized if you just don't go a little fast, there's nothing wrong with it. That must be middle road above me there. I think when I get back to the other part, I'll get off the paved part and hit some trails. Might make that another video. Not sure how long that's going to take.